your sign to say yes to that random friend who asked you to come to Goa on a random Friday.
बट वेट, शुरू से शुरू करते हैं। ये सब तब शुरू हुआ जब ऑफिस में मैं अपना काम कर रहा था और अचानक से पीछे से एक आवाज़ आई, वैभव इस वीकेंड को क्या कर रहा है। और तब पूरा प्लान बना गोवा जाने का। और फिर क्या, फिर मैंने किया मेरा बैग पैक और फिर मैं और मेरी बैगवती दोनों चल गए ट्रिप पे। और कुछ ऐसे चालू हुई मेरी ज़िंदगी की सबसे स्पॉन्टेनियस ट्रिप। दिस is our first stop. We are in Karnataka right now, and this was fun. And the most amazing part about this trip is all four of us does not know each other. So like this guy asked me whether you're free this weekend. I barely know that guy, and the third guy I absolutely had no connection with. So finally we have entered in Maharashtra. It's almost 6 in the morning. It's my time for running, but not today. Still we have like 550 kilometers to go. So by the way, we are going to firstly we are going to Goa. We'll stay there for 4 days, explore a few offbeat places, and then maybe we'll go to Maharashtra or something like that. हमको बहुत slow जाना पड़ रहा है because हर जगह पे कैमरा है और मैक्स स्पीड लिमिट काफी है ना. So I was sleeping in the car. We were supposed to go to Goa, but these guys drove me somewhere in Kolhapur. Just look at this place. This is really awesome. This is our ride. So after 14 hours of long drive, we finally reached our destination, that is Goa, and we checked in our property around 20 minutes ago. I would have loved to give you a property tour right away, but as every one of us were very exhausted, people chose to sleep for a bit. While they're sleeping, I thought of going to beach and show you guys a few nice moments. The second one, that's my YouTube channel. Yeah, you can subscribe to it. Thank you so much. I started loving beaches a lot nowadays. That's why I keep visiting it again and again and again. Except from the tanning part, I absolutely love beaches. Right now, I never imagined in my entire life that I'll ever love beaches, but it's awesome. Trust me, once you are here, you'll feel what you need to feel. And this is your sign to say yes to that random friend who asked you to come to Goa on a random Friday. This is your sign to say yes to that one colleague who says office is not your life. Life goes beyond your office as well. This is your sign. Look at me. This is absolutely amazing. I never imagined in this whole month that I'll ever be in Goa, at least for a couple of months from now, but all of a sudden this happened. This is absolutely amazing. And the beach, that is also absolutely amazing. A quick house tour, that the property that we rented for 4 days, and at the end I'll tell you the price and you will be shocked. So the property looks like this. We have this one bedroom here. This is an entrance. We have a whole kitchen with all the utensils and the gas. The washrooms are awesome. This is another room. This is my room actually. This is another room, and we have a huge balcony here as well, and the huge front yard. And you'll not believe this is just for 2200 per night. Isn't it awesome? Now we are going to the Cape Goa to witness a beautiful majestic sunset. I heard a lot about this place. Let's go and see how it actually looks like. Bro, SUV. This is SUV. Compact SUV. Yes. When these people said they knew a spot, they actually knew a spot. Look at this. This one.